Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with stampandcrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks so much for joining me today. I see we're a little bit crooked here. Just a quick reminder, we still have celebration going on right now. So with every $50 in merchandise that you spend, you get an item free out of our celebration catalog. Super cute items in there. Our new mini catalog is also live. So today we're going to make a Valentine card using one of the suites out of the mini catalog called the Country Floral Lane Suite. And we're going to be using the Country Bouquet Bundle. Now, unfortunately, our punch is out of stock, so that cannot be ordered, but you can order the stamp set along with all the paper. I think the ribbon is out of stock too, but that will be back shortly. This might take a while. So we have some fixes that you can do if you can't get that punch. All right, let's get started. All right, I'm going to just use a 4-inch by 11-inch piece of Sweet Sorbet cardstock. And then I have a piece of white for the inside. I've got a piece of this gorgeous designer paper for the front. I have another piece of white. I will post all the measurements on my blog. And then I pre-punched some hearts. Now, if you don't have the hunch part, if you don't have the punch, the heart punch, you can use, if you have any heart dies or previous heart punches, we even have a heart punch pack. They're a little bit bigger, but they will still work. So whatever hearts you have, or you can hand cut hearts, whatever you feel comfortable with, or if you have those supplies, please feel free to use them. Can't talk today. Okay, let's do some stamping before we do assembly. So I'm just using only one color of ink, Sweet Sorbet. And we have this cute little, we have some little elements here, and then we have some larger hearts and several sentiments. So I'm going to use this small little floral stamp here. I'm just going to do that a few times, and then I'm going to take the little solid hearts and just add a little bit of that in there. And this may not even show. I'm not worrying about the middle because that's going to be covered. Let's not put that away yet. We're going to stamp on the front. It's going to say, just wanted to say. We're going to stamp that way over to the left. And I'll show you why in just a second. Then we're going to stamp Happy Valentine's Day right there. And then we'll just add a couple little hearts, because why not? Super cute. All right, we're done with stamping. So let's do a little assembly. I'm going to place this white inside. Okay. Super quick and easy card to do. This is going to go right on the front. You can use this stripe paper, or you could use the heart paper. I'll show you one using the little hearts. I'm going to just put that on at an angle, and then we're going to pop these up. Grab some dimensionals. I'm just using one dimensional on the back of each. I think we'll put this one down here. Put this one up here. Now, this piece of paper is from the other designer paper set in this suite, and it's from the Country Gingham designer pack. And that's actually 6x6 paper, whereas the Country Floral Lane is 12 by 12. We're just going to add a little Sweet Sorbet heart in there. And then I have some of our cute little heart pearls. These are from the annual catalog, and they come in 3 different finishes, so you can just use any ones you want. I'm going to just put 2 that I have left over from class here. I'm just going to put a couple on there. We've just got 1 left, just use it up. Use this. Okay, I'll put 1 right up here on that little heart there. And we're going to add a little ribbon. So I have some of our silver trim, and I'm just going to tie a small ribbon or small bow with this. I love this trim, the silver and the gold trim. I use it a lot. I like ribbons that don't take up a whole lot of, space, that just add a little bit of little funness to it. Okay, we'll grab a glue dot to attach that. Let's see. Usually I stick my ribbon or embellishment right on my glue dot, and then when I pull it off, if it's too big, I just kind of tap it down a little bit. Let's see, I'm going to just put that one right there. Isn't that cute? How quick and easy is that? So simple and sweet. Let me show you one with the heart paper. So I've just used kind of this heart background. You don't want anything too crazy because the goal is to, for the hearts to stand out. So pretty basic tone on tone for your background, and then do the fun different color patterns and prints for your accent pieces. Okay, hope you enjoyed that today. It was quick and sweet, and I will post an ordering link below if you would like to purchase the stamp set and the paper. Just remember, Heart Punch probably won't be back in until April, but you never know. You can keep checking back. Might come in earlier. All right, thanks everybody for stopping by. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.